Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn BMP and GIF images into PDF files using the Acrobat Pro Reader. Let's begin. First, open up the Acrobat Pro Reader. I have it over here. Then double check your BMP files. So I have three images over here or BMP files. We can focus on these. So I'm going to click and show you what they look like and then over here just to give you much more perspective on what you can do. Then go back to the Acrobat Reader, go to Tools or See or Tools, locate Combine Files. Click on Open, Add Files. I'm going to choose these three. Then from here, you can rearrange them according to how you want them to be or appear in your document. So I'm going to select all three of them and then click Combine. Then just wait for this to finish, and there you go. You have now successfully added all three. What I mean is I have successfully added all three files and turned them into one single PDF document. So let me see what we can do more in here. On the pages, you can see all three are here. Then you can just configure the rest, but make sure to click on save first so you can have this already saved in PDF format. So click save as, just choose any folder or drive and make sure it is saved as a PDF. So I'm going to click save, going to go back here, and there you go. It is now a PDF file. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.